Hello, today we're gonna make a cat. We need a origami paper. I will start by the color side because I want the cat will be white. If you want that your cat be colorful, you can start by the white side. We're gonna take this and this corner and we're gonna bring it to this corner. Now I'm gonna take this corner and we're gonna bring it to this corner. We're gonna fold it back. Now we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to here. We're gonna bring it to here. And we're gonna do the same step on the other side. Now we're gonna take this corner and we're gonna fold it to here. Now we're gonna flip it. Now we're gonna color the face and the black dots. And here we go, we made a cat. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.